This is Frank, and a few weeks ago, I almost had to punch out my medical doctor. I went for a checkup, and he told me I was a beast. I said, Doc, I was coming here, and you called me a beast? Then he said, I didn't call you a beast, but I said you are obese. But I said, Doc, you called me a beast? He said, no, I'm not calling you a beast, but I'm just saying you are obese. O-B-E-S-E. Obese? Doc, what's that? And he told me someone is obese when their body mass index or their BMI is greater than 30. So I said, so Doc, how to use to calculate that? And he told me that you calculate the BMI, which is your body mass index, when you divide your weight in kilograms by the square of your height in meters. He said once your body mass index or a BMI is greater than 30, you's medically a beast. No, not a beast, but the doc said you is obese. O-B-E-S-E. When you's obese, it means you have too much fat on your body. Your body has too much fat to lug around, and this could cause medical problems in your life. So I said, Doc, I was not come here for you to call me big and fat, so I was leaving, and I got vexed, and I stormed out the doc's office after paying his basic bill. Of course, I had to pay the bill, but I was still vexed because I don't want nobody's calling me obese. So I decided after that to take me a taxi cab home. All those houses just lives about a few blocks away. I still wanted to take a taxi ride home. And well, the first taxi, when he saw me on the pavement and I hailed him, I said, hey, whoa! The man looked at me and he just drove away. He drove away without stopping. I say, that's a rude man. That is one rude man. So after that, I stopped the next taxi, and he said that he almost didn't stop for me because he saw that I was overweight, and he said that shocks and tires and springs for his taxi were pretty expensive, and he didn't want to waste his money doing extra repairs. But then she told me that it's a 80% probability that an obese person would die in a car accident. 80% greater probability if your BMI is over 40. And he says that information was supplied to them by the safety transport scientists that analyzed over 57,000 accidents. 57,000 accidents. So he then told me that if I was serious about losing weight, I should check out the fat burning furnace. That is the fat burning furnace. So I checked it out and I found it was pretty good. So if you was interested, I recommend that you check out the link below and you get yourself a fat burning furnace so you can get your BMI in line. This is Frank signing out for now. Bye bye.